And this is my channel, All Up in Your Melon, and today I am making one of my favorite summertime sides, coleslaw. So it looks like a lot of stuff, but it's not too bad. It's pretty easy to make, and also if you wanna just take the shortcut, just buy already sliced cabbage. But anyway, cabbage and, you know, whatever, coleslaw mix. So today the ingredients you need is purple cabbage, green cabbage, carrots for the base, and then for the sauce you need mayonnaise, which I forgot, mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, celery salt, salt and pepper, maple syrup, and then you really need Dijon mustard, but I couldn't decide which mustard, so I'm just going to use the 3 mustards that I have in my fridge, which do not include Dijon. Oh well. So what you need to do is you need to shred the purple cabbage and the green cabbage and the carrots. So that is what we will do first. This is the most time-consuming part, but I think it just tastes better when you know you just bought the cabbage and it's fresh. Okay. Oh, so I have a mandolin here. I find this is the easiest way to shred the cabbage. And I get the biggest plate that I have because it kind of makes a mess. And then purple cabbage, which I love, so pretty. So I have made already 4 or 5 batches of this already. That's why this is half gone. So, yeah, this lasts a while. I'm actually just going to cut the ends off. So I chopped the end off so that it's all fresh. And now I'm going to get to shredding. So I'm using the thinnest setting on the mandolin. I'm obsessed with cabbage. And the purple color, that's probably my favorite color in the world. Okay, so, you know, I've just done a little bit, and this is probably, let me see. Let me do 3 cups of each. I'll get my, I'm gonna use this. You can just guesstimate, but I'm just curious how much this makes. So this is already 3 cups. You know what? We're doing a big batch. I'm gonna do another 3 cups. I'm gonna shred this till this is gone. No other way. So I hate to waste it, but I've had this for too long and it needs to be eaten. Just look how amazing that grows. You're just gonna see this. Okay, so that's it. So let's see how much this is in the end. So 6 cups. Looks like we're gonna probably double the recipe. So that was about 8 cups. And now I'm going to shred the green cabbage. I'm just gonna cut off the edges. Now shred. Yeah, so it's gonna be a double batch of coleslaw. last two. We done. And be very careful. Mandolins are very sharp. I didn't think I need to tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna get another bowl because this one's already full. Oh, we still gotta do the carrots. This is, I think, another 3 cups, so anyway, right now we have 15 cups, so we're gonna try and do like 1 cup of carrots. 3? They're kind of small. I'm gonna do four carrots, so I'm gonna wash these. First, I'm gonna peel the carrots real quick. Okay, so I don't use the mandolin because I tried it once and it's lazy and they're just chunks, you know, they're circles. And I just don't like the way that turns out. So I just bought a new one of these pups. So hopefully it's really sharp and works great. I usually do it one at a time, so. Oh geez. Oh, this is how you want to do it. And again, be careful of your hands when it gets close to the end. Okay, I need to stand up for this. That's thin enough. Let's see how much 4 little carrots shredded. So that makes about, yeah, that makes about a cup. Perfect. So now we're gonna have 15 cups. So I'm just gonna double my recipe. Let me clean up a little bit. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, get a new bowl. So I just got this new bowl from Savers. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna put half the mix in here. So half of the cabbage. I don't know why this cabbage like is white now. It used to be green, but now it's kind of white. Throw some carrots in the mix. Mix it all up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up with my hands. Making coleslaw is a messy game, but I'll tell you, it's worth it. Okay, so we got our 2 bowls full, and now we are going to make the dressing. To double the dressing, we need 1.5 cups of mayo. So it kind of sounds like a lot, but it's for a lot of coleslaw. This is one recipe that I like to measure out, just because the ratio of the vinegar to the mayo, the creaminess, I think it really matters to have it the correct ratio. I mean, I might not even have enough mayo. Well, I probably don't have. We're gonna say that's 1 cup. We're gonna scrape this mayo jar clean, and hopefully we can get 1.5 cups. All right, well, put mayo on the list. We only have 1.25 cups, so I'm just gonna have to do it by taste. What are you gonna do? 1.25 cups, and then you need 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. But I'm gonna do a little less than 4 because we have a little less than 1.5 cups of mayo. Tablespoons of Dijon mustard, so shake all these up. Squirt of this. Oh my. Squirt of this. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Apparently I'm running out of a lot of condiments. Okay. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then 1.5 teaspoons of celery salt. Oh, this is onion powder. Wait, Austin, did we buy celery salt? So then you need 1.5 teaspoons of celery salt. I've never actually used celery salt before. It smells just like celery. Figures. Okay. This is a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm doing 3. Okay. And then 1/2 teaspoon of regular salt. I'm just gonna put this in because I think the celery salt has a little salt in it. That's good. And then some crushed black pepper, and that is it. Stir it all up. Grossing me out a little bit, but smells good. I hope all the mustards taste good, even though the recipe calls for Dijon. Not sure why it's so chunky, so I'm just trying to get rid of all the little lumps in it so it's smooth, creamy smooth. See, I think that's a little mayo-y, so I'm gonna put in a little extra vinegar. And this is the game I like to play until I like the flavor of the sauce. Just add a little more vinegar. Even though I probably just added enough, I kind of added a little bit. I like it to have like a little ooh, that's vinegary, you know, just a little bit so you know it's there. So more than like, oh, that's mayo, even though I love mayo. All right, so split this up and pour it in. Well-sauced thing of coleslaw. Let me go ahead and mix up this other one. So they're both well coated with the dressing, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in my dish and I'm gonna try it out. So let me tell you what I like about coleslaw. It's so crunchy, and you can taste, it's creamy, it's crunchy, it's creamy. You can taste the mayo, you can taste the cabbage, because sometimes you have a sandwich and you're like, oh, put some lettuce in it and add some crunch. Lettuce adds no crunch. You need to be adding coleslaw to your sandwiches. Has the mayo, has the mustard, has the vinegar, has the acid. It just is a perfect combination of all good things. So, you know, you could make a turkey sandwich, put some coleslaw on it, probably put it on a breakfast sandwich. I've never tried it, but today, you know, it's all your preference. You can eat it as a side, you can eat it with your burger, I don't know. You can eat it with everything. It's perfect for the summer. Make sure your fridge is stocked. I've been running out of everything, but anyway. Sometimes it gets the back of the throat. I have vinegar. But anyway, thank you for watching my channel. Go make yourself some coleslaw. Bring it to your next barbecue. If you try my recipe, let me know. And by my recipe, I mean the recipe I use, not the one I made up. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.